about fall prevention measures that we can take at home to kind of identify risk factors that lead to increased risk of slipping and falling and loss of balance. I also hope to show some exercises and demonstrate some exercises that we can do to really increase the strength and the power in our muscles that are in charge of keeping us upright and keeping us from falling. I'll go over the technique, the sets and reps that we can do. Also go over some things that we can do to actually really work on making us more stable with being upright and kind of being around the house. I'll also bring in some things too, such as resistance bands that people can take home so that if they don't have those things at home, they can use those to really work on those muscles that I'll be talking about. I also want to kind of show people too how to get up from a fall if they do fall. So I think that'll be really important, a really important educational tool for people, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to have the question, all right, what happens if I do fall? What's the next step? I'll touch base on physical therapy. With me being a physical therapist, my biggest thing is helping people improve their confidence, improve their balance, and really just improve their overall quality of life so that they can continue doing what they love to do without the fear of falling.